Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today we are going to go find some mud with the old Fourtrax, the old 6x6. Before I'm going ahead, I'm changing oil. I ain't going to get no video of that. But anyways, guys, we finally got it right. The bands are actually pushing down and up slightly, so we put a bracket piece there and there to keep the bands from pushing. Now the chains do not do not push at all. So we got it straight. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fendels back on, finish changing the oil, put a spark plug on it. So I'll see y'all in a second when we get to some mud. Hopefully it'll be today. But it's raining right now and it looks like it's gonna get worse. At some point today I'm gonna go, even if I have to go in the rain. I don't know how I would record it in the rain. I think a GoPro covered in water would probably be pretty bad. But anyways, guys, I'll see y'all in a second whenever we're in the mud. We made it back. We made it to the house. So that means we're gonna go riding because it ain't raining. At least not bad. Little sprinkles, but the sun was shining over there down the road where I was coming from, and that's the direction I think the rain's coming from. So that means hopefully it won't start raining. I don't really have a problem with riding in the rain. I just have a problem with my GoPro getting covered in water and the whole footage just be crap. And I want to show everybody. So I guess I'll put the GoPro on and we'll head to the holes and we'll see what we can get to. Let's hope we don't get stuck because my wife is gone. All my friends are gone. So my pool machine will not be with me today. Wish me luck. Well, boys and girls, I guess it's time to go play in the mud. Been sitting here for a while waiting for this GoPro to stop fogging up where the humidity got so high after the rain. Sadly, I don't have my wife today to help pull me out if I get stuck, and I don't have anybody to record from the outside, so it's going to be 100% GoPro footage. Not my favorite thing to record with. I mean, I like having a little footage to mix it around, but I don't like just straight GoPro footage. But hey, what can you do? Let's go find some mud, boys and girls. Well, we're back at it again. I ain't been in this hole in forever. Mainly because it's been dry and this hole was just dry. So we're gonna roll our boots up and we're gonna try this hole out. See if maybe we got this 6x6 a little bit better. I'm hoping we got it fixed. I'm hoping we finally got it. And we might go in some deeper mud. But for now, we're just trying this one out because I can get out of this by myself if I need to. With the other hole, I can't. Let's get this going, boys. I don't know why this thing got bent, or how it got bent. Doing that. Everything up here looks pretty good. There we go. That helped. This is a bad idea. I know it is. Hey, we made it. Yay! Man, that walked really good. Oh, well, went too many. Ah, y'all see that? Woo! I didn't think we were making out of that. Man, she crawls when she's walking right. Ah, let's do it again. Famous last words, I'm sure. Oh, wish me luck again. Come on, baby. 2 for 2. Come on, baby. We did it first time. Oh, it did it. Everything's together. We made it. And my phone got wet. Holy crap, that hole's getting bad. Oh. Even with all this, the diff lock would really help out. Like right there, if I could have just had my other tile grab, it would have helped, because all these were dug in and they were walking. It was digging, but it would have took me a while to climb the way I was going. I could have got off and pushed it up. I wanted to make it do it on its own. I didn't want to be like a Honda, and you know, most Hondas, you get off, you float them up. I like, nah, we're gonna power through this, and it worked. So let's get back that way, get back to those little holes. This is a bad idea. I know it is. My glue came off. Come on. Why did my glue fail? What the crap? Hey, bad boy, bad. Stay. You're messing up all my stuff. Oh, that's what happened there. I said, why does it look wrong? There we go. Oh, I left it here. Okay, let's try this one more time for fun. Come on, come on, come on. Well, boys and girls, as you can see, the 6x6 walked, and it walked flawlessly. Had a little chain jump, but you can live with it. I mean, as no little than it did, it won't hurt nothing. It just did it just a little bit. I might try to fine tune it, but honestly, I think that's good enough. As you can see, I just got back before the rain was coming. I just beat it. Well, anyways, guys, if you want to continue seeing the 6x6 build and me continue to build it, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like and comment. Tell me what you think, because we aren't going to stop here. We're going to keep building. We're going to keep getting better and better, because it's never finished until it's sold. And hopefully it won't be sold for at least 10 years. So if you subscribe and keep the channel going, we'll keep building. I hope to see y'all in the next one.